Looking to take your branding or crafting to the next level? Whether you're stamping leather wallets, customizing wooden packaging, or embossing invitations, a good hot stamping machine can make all the difference. But not all machines are built the same. Some offer better precision, faster heating, and easier mold mounting. If you want crisp, professional logos every time, you are in the right place. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. Let's get started. Number 5. ZonPack Hot Foil Stamping Machine. For users who want an all-in-one setup with letter stamping capabilities right out of the box, this premium model from ZonPack is worth a serious look. It offers a complete embossing solution with a full alphabet, numbers, and symbol set, making it especially valuable for those doing custom text-based designs. The machine comes equipped with a 10 by 13 cm hot stamping platform and offers powerful pressure output in the 15 to 38 kg force range. This ensures clean and deep impressions whether you're working on leather bags, hardcover journals, or even plastic components. Its sturdy construction of alloy steel and aluminum provides long-term durability for regular use. Temperature settings are controlled through a digital display, and the device heats up quickly, delivering consistent heat across the entire plate. This is essential for achieving uniform stamping results. Users can set the temperature as needed up to 350 degrees Celsius. What sets this machine apart is the included Microsoft Elegant Black Letter Set. With 52 alphabet letters, 10 numbers, and 20 symbols, users can get started on text branding right away. Number 4. Mephape 10 by 13 cm Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The Mephape 10 by 13 cm hot foil stamping machine is a strong competitor in this lineup, especially for users seeking reliable performance at a reasonable price. Designed with practicality in mind, this manual leather embossing machine covers all the essential features needed for effective heat stamping on various materials. One of the key highlights is its high maximum temperature of 350 degrees Celsius. It uses dual heating tubes for better efficiency, allowing the machine to reach and maintain your desired temperature with minimal fluctuation. This stability is important for materials that require consistent heat to produce high-definition results without scorching. Number 3. ZonePack 8 by 10 cm Digital Embossing Machine. The ZonePack 8 by 10 cm digital embossing machine brings a balance of compactness and functionality, making it a strong option for those working with limited space or on smaller-scale projects. This machine caters well to beginners as well as experienced users looking for something portable without compromising output quality. Constructed from aluminum and stainless steel, the machine feels sturdy and built to last. The digital temperature controller on this model offers precise control, helping you adjust the heat to match the specific requirements of various materials. This flexibility is particularly useful for users working across different mediums like paper, polyurethane, or synthetic leather. Its stamping plate supports temperatures from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius, and the machine heats up quickly. This means you do not have to wait long before starting your project. Additionally, it includes a paper holder, which is quite helpful for keeping things in place during stamping, preventing misalignment. Though slightly smaller in stamping area compared to others on this list, it still handles most everyday tasks comfortably. Number 2. TOAUTO 110V Hot Foil Stamping Machine. The TOAUTO 10 by 13 cm hot foil stamping machine is a solid contender for anyone looking for convenience, precision, and speed. Built with a focus on user-friendly features, this machine combines practical design with strong heat performance to cater to leather workers, crafters, and small business owners. One of its most attractive qualities is the drawer-style movable table. This feature allows users to load products and molds more conveniently than fixed platforms. Whether you are working on custom logos or regular pattern embossing, the sliding table offers better alignment and smoother handling of materials. This ease of use can save a lot of time, especially when producing items in bulk. Number 1. Fastuby Upgraded Hot Foil Stamping Machine. When it comes to hot stamping machines, The Fastuby Upgraded model leads the pack for its smart engineering, excellent usability, and overall build quality. Designed for high-performance embossing on PVC, leather, polyurethane, and paper, this machine delivers consistent results even under frequent use. It offers a stamping area of 10 by 13 centimeters, which is ideal for most crafting or branding needs, without becoming overly bulky on your workspace. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.